This 2023 Jayco Seismic Luxury Series 3512 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Buford, Georgia, 30519 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV North Atlanta. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 106 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.